When I come to her, when I come to her, for the first time, for the first time, I came to Milky, I came to Milky, just I was terrified, filled with emotion, filled with emotion. After a few seconds, I tried my best, I tried my best, became friend with you guys, I became friend with you guys, that made my life quite meaningful, quite meaningful, even if there is too much load of work, too much challenge. I don't care for it, I don't care for it. I tell you guys, I met amazing friends, I met amazing friends. This is the Jesus opportunity to me, opportunity to meet friends like you, friends like you. I love you guys, I love you guys. Yeah, that's right.